Hey guys, I'm Abby Casey, and today I'm going to show you how to use your turkey beard and spurs to make a great display keepsake. This is super easy, and you'll only need a few tools and materials for this build. The first step is to prep our shotgun shell that we actually used to kill this bird. Now you don't have to do this, but I like to cut off a section of the shell where we will insert the beard. There we go. Before we attach the beard, let's go ahead and drill a hole all the way through the primer end of the shell. Once we get the hole drilled, we can go ahead and thread our leather cord through both sides. Make sure to pull through enough on either side, depending on how long you want to make your loop. Alright, now all we have to do is go ahead and secure the beard into the shell. Just fill the inside of the shell with a good bit of hot glue and insert the beard into the glue, making sure it'll stay put once the glue dries. Now while we wait for this to dry, we can go ahead and get started prepping our spurs. Now we got both our turkey legs here, and you're going to want to remove just the spur section. You can leave as much as you want or as little as you want. When cutting off the spurs, you don't have to use a vise, but it makes it a lot easier to get a cleaner cut, especially if you use a fine-tooth saw. Alright, now that we got our legs despurred, we're going to take our drill and clean out the bone so we can feed our leather cord through. It's best to let the legs dry out before this process so there isn't any blood or marrow still in the leg. Alright, we got our spurs cleaned out. Let's finish this thing up. Just thread a spur on each side of the shell. We're going to add a few wooden beads here for looks, so feel free to decorate as you wish. After you have everything threaded on, just cut your cord to the desired length and tie a knot on the end. Well, that's it. A great little display you can hang up to remember your hunt. Let us know if you got any turkey taxidermy tips in the comments below. Then head over to Rated Red's YouTube channel and click subscribe. For Rated Red, I'm Abby Casey.